Okay, this is the front door. Couple steps up. The bedroom. It's a little messy, but you get the look. That's the bedroom. The bedroom looks down into the living room. Very high ceilings, as you can see. Walking down the stairs now. Front door again. Here's the stairs going down, 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 down. This is the living room. Tall windows. Little alcove. Desk. TV. One closet goes all the way back underneath the stairs for storage. Another closet. This is the bathroom. Regular bathroom. And this is the kitchen. Dishwasher. Living room. There you have it. That's the place.